What's up YouTube? Trail King here. Welcome to my channel where I promote and educate about trail building, riding, and maintaining. For today's video, we were at Mountain Creek Bike Park for their Thursday night race league. So this is the first race of 2022. So we're super excited to see the action that's going to happen and go down on the Domboo trail. Quite long, quite twisty, quite turny, with some big gaps that are really going to decide this race. Today's format, we got sign-ups at 4 p.m, racing at 5 p.m, and then awards at 7:30, followed by some karaoke fun. So stay tuned, check out today's vibe, check out some of the racing, and make sure you make it out next Thursday.
Go, Zach! Yeah, buddy! You win. Yeah, no, she's gonna fall. Yeah! There you drop her. Oh, I got very drop. Oh my God. Yeah, give us a flex. Flex.
You guys actually don't win anything? Alright, thank you everybody for coming out.